I'm talking about a cold beer, I'm talking about a hot country girl. I'm talking about John Deere.
Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check it out. Today, we're going to be replacing the fuel filter and the water separator filter on my blue 2013 GMC Sierra Duramax. Check it out. We ordered brand new filters from FASS. So we got the FF3003 and the FS1001. High efficiency fuel filter, water separator filter. Here we go. All right, guys, so here we are. We got the new FASS filters on. We got the water separator filter on, and we get the fuel filter on. Here's a quick tip. The water separator filter comes with a grommet up here, gasket, an O-ring to put up top. Make sure the old one is not left on the actual neck of the filter before you put the new one on. So take the old one off, make sure it's clean, put the new one on, and go from there. What you want to do next is tighten this one down all the way. You're good. Make sure it's snug. That's the water separator. Now with the fuel filter, thread it all the way on. Be sure you got to reverse cross thread them before you start threading them tight. That way you don't cross thread shit. And loosen it a little bit, about 2 full turns until you until it's loose right there. So what you want to do is to purge the system. So I'm going to start it up real quick, or not start it up. We're going to purge it. Let the fuel pump run. You'll hear it whine for a little bit. You'll hear the motor whine until it flows over with fuel. And then we need to cut it off. And there it is. So cut it off.
Hey.
And then after that, we're going to start it up and make sure the filters are tight, clean it up, we're good to go. Over and out, guys. Hope this helps. One last thing, here's a valuable tip. When you guys are running a lift pump on a diesel and it's on a 1/4 of a tank, go to the fuel station and fill that sucker up with diesel. Why? Because when they're on a 1/4 of a tank or below, I'd say a little bit less than a 1/4 of a tank, be realistic with you, a little bit above empty. It's like running on empty. Don't do it. You've probably been in that situation before. If you've been in that situation before, you know how hard it is to get it to start up. The correct way to do it, don't keep on cranking it, don't keep on purging it. Go to the damn diesel station, get some diesel, put it in your damn truck, let it prime it for 5, 6, 7, 8 times, and then crank it up after that. So hope this helps. Peace out, guys. Subscribe.
See ya.